Hey, alright, this is Jackie Otwell with Maxhouse Marketing. I spoke with you briefly last week about me shooting you over this little 5-minute custom website audit video of your current website and how it's doing in comparison to your competitors. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. First things first, I'm going to Google HVAC companies in Corpus Christi, Texas. This top section up here is the ad section. So these people are paying to be here. As you can see, it says sponsored. This begins the Google Map Pack. If you're not part of it, we would go ahead and add you. A lot of times it goes hand in hand in how your website's ranking, etc. And then this right here begins the organic section. So this is where the actual ranks begin. So these top three are taken up by directory links, Yelp, Angie's List, Expertise. So I'm going to go with the first non-directory link, which is Matthews Air Solutions. So that's the #1 spot for HVAC companies in Corpus Christi, Texas. So throughout the duration of this video, I'm going to compare your website to theirs. So first thing that I'm going to talk about is content. So what is content? Content is essentially any wording or verbiage throughout your website. We're going to focus specifically on the homepage. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and grab everything off of their homepage. And I am going to place it into a word counting tool that I use. So they have about 330 words of content on their homepage. I am now going to do the same for you. And you have about 342 words. So Google actually recommends us having 1,000 to 2,000 words of content on our homepage. Reason being is that this provides 1,000 to 2,000 more opportunities for us to slide keywords into this content to populate us in Google searches. So what is a keyword? So keywords are these little phrases that people put into Google to bring up your website. So the logic behind this and the content is that we would go and do research and find which one of these are the highest search volume for your service within your area. And we would go ahead and incorporate that into the content placed on your home page, which is going to bring you up in Google searches. So to do some more research on those keywords, I'm going to go ahead and grab each of your websites and place it into Ahrefs, which is essentially an online website auditing tool that I use. So I want you to just take a little brief look at these numbers over here. So this is their traffic value. They're not paying for ads. These are their organic keywords and their backlinks. So I see that you are paying for ads, or this isn't 100%, but it's usually a pretty good indication. You only have 1 organic keyword and 2 backlinks. So we're going to go ahead and dig into those and look and see what their keywords are. So right off the bat, I see AC Repair Corpus Christi, AC Corpus Christi, HVAC Corpus Christi. So those are all, those are the kind of keywords that we're looking for, the ones with the location attached. I want you to go ahead and take a look at, per se, let me find one. One that basically doesn't have a location attached. So this right here, like Air Comfort Solutions, we'll say. That's a nationwide keyword. It doesn't have a location attached. So someone in Oregon, per se, could Google this and it would essentially populate this website. Is that beneficial to us? Is it going to bring in a buyer intent customer? No. It's not the kind of traffic we want to generate. We want to stick to those keywords that have the locations attached to bring in specific buyer intent customers who they're looking for a service and they plan on purchasing that service. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look at your keywords and see what you have going on. So you only have thermal heating and air. The issue with this is that the only person who's going to Google this is someone who already knows about your company. So we want to bring you in new clients, new customers, etc. So I would add about 1,500 more words of content onto your homepage stuffed with keywords. So the third topic that I am going to talk about is backlinks. So what are backlinks? Backlinks are essentially anywhere on the internet where this website is linked. So somewhere throughout the internet, MatthewsACs.com is linked 153 times. What does this do for us? It's essentially publicity, so it provides 153 more opportunities to be seen, sets of eyes, traffic, etc. You have 2 backlinks, so we don't have to necessarily beat that number to outrank them. A number of things go into play, but we would go ahead and add ourselves to all of their quality backlinks and put us on an even playing field. And then we'd go back month after month after month and continue adding more and more backlinks. And that's how you begin climbing those ranks. Another thing I should mention is that not all backlinks are created equal. We look for higher powered, stronger quality backlinks, and that's how we would kind of beat them in the backlink section. That being said, Jorge, I hope this was informative for you. Of course, feel free to incorporate these tips on your own into your current website. Or as always, please reach out to me. I would love to help you and guide you through this process and see what we can do to generate some more traffic for you. Hope to hear from you soon. Have a great day.